Hi, I'm Bill Verity, president of Crown Verity, and today we're going to talk about Crown Verity's mobile griddles. We have 5 different models. We start with a 30-inch model, then we go up to a 36, and for illustrations today we're going to concentrate on our 48-inch mobile griddle. And we also have a 60-inch and a 72-inch mobile griddle. So let's get started. Let's take a look at some of the features. Important feature we're going to talk about right now is the removable grease tray. The grease trays are stainless steel and they're removable from either end of the griddle. I can just lift up here, slide it out, slide it back in, and it does lock in place. Our backsplashes are also solid stainless steel. The griddle is a 5/16 cold rolled steel. All Crown Verity mobile griddles have what we call a crash bar, and the purpose of the crash bar is to protect your knobs from being knocked off. Another important feature of all Crown Verity mobile griddles is the portability. We have 2 14-inch wheels. We also have 2 swivel casters on the other end, and this really allows for great portability of the units. Very important for caterers who want to get them in and out of trucks and onto location. All Crown Verity portable griddles are available in either natural gas or propane. Our 30 and 36-inch models take a single 20-pound cylinder, and our larger units, the 48, the 60, and the 72, they accommodate 2 propane tanks, 2 individual tanks. The mobile griddles are great for doing pancakes, fried onions, peppers, Philly steak sandwiches, hamburgers, hot dogs. A multitude of items can be cooked on these. We're going to talk about the versatility of our Crown Verity mobile griddles. What I've done here, I've pulled the pins off the back and I've slid the griddle back. You can see it slides on tracks, and one of the most popular items we have for an option are grates. So we can remove the whole griddle plate on the top of the grill, and we're going to throw some grates in here, and then you've got a charbroiler. All Crown Verity mobile griddles are gas compliant in North America, AGA or CGA or Equal approved. I'd like to illustrate the portability of our mobile griddles by releasing the locks on our casters, and I can just push this with 2 fingers. Very, very portable, which is a great feature for caterers and operators. Our mobile griddles give you the opportunity to make a lot of money. You can go where the crowds are and cook what the crowds want to eat. Now I'm going to show you how to light your Crown Verity mobile griddle. The first thing we do, we check and make sure that all our valves are in the off position, which they are. And now we're going to turn on the propane tank. I've installed our propane bottle on the tank bracket, and now I'm going to take the hose and the regulator onto the tank and just screw this on and make sure it's got a good connection and good and solid. And now I'm going to turn my propane tank on. Now that our propane tank's on, I've got a utility lighter, and I'm going to put it in this port, light the utility lighter, and then I'm going to turn my pilot on. And there, we've got ignition. Now the pilot light runs across the front of the unit, and now we can turn whichever burner we wish on. We're ready to cook.